Welcome to my YouTube channel, Nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is a field of research and innovation concerned with building things, generally materials and devices, on the scale of atoms and molecules. Nanotechnology is an emerging science which is expected to have rapid and strong future developments. It is predicted to contribute significantly to economic growth and job creation in the coming decades. According to scientists, nanotechnology is predicted to have four distinct generations of advancement. In this video, I am going to talk about nanotechnology and its applications. As very first thing, you should know what nano is. The word nano is derived from Greek language with the meaning dwarf. Therefore, nano refers to something very small. Nano means billion. So a nanometer is 1 billionth of a meter. It is 10 to the power minus 9 meters. Nanotechnology refers to inventions on the scale of small molecules or individual atoms. Nanoscale science investigates the matter at the critical range on 1 to 100 nanometers. Making new things on this incredibly small scale is called nanotechnology. The idea of nanotechnology was initially forwarded by the physicist Richard Feynman, who won the Nobel Prize in 1959. Now we are going to find out about natural nanosystems. Living cell is a good example for a natural nanosystem. Various organelles of a living cell are adapted for various functions. Now think of the mitochondrium. In the mitochondrium, cellular respiration is taken place, so energy is produced, so we can consider it as a generator. Now think of the chloroplast. Their photosynthesis is taken place. Carbon dioxide and water react together to form glucose and oxygen. Glucose is the main product of the process. Oxygen is the byproduct. So we can compare this with an industry. So a cell could be considered as a natural nanofactory. Then we'll find out about artificial nanosystems. Computers used today are small compared with those used in the past. Similarly, the size of mobile phones are becoming smaller with time. This method is known as top-bottom approaching. What is known as Lotus effect? The self-cleansing activity of lotus leaves because of the hydrophobic condition on its surface is known as Lotus effect. This hydrophobic nature on the lotus leaf is due to the fine arrangement of the particles of nanoscale. Because of this, water, dirt and microorganisms that fall on the leaf are automatically removed. Lotus effect can be seen on wings of insects like dragonflies. Now let's find out why nano size matters. Both physical and chemical properties of matter substantially changes when the size reaches 100 nanometers or below, although it is the same bulk material. For example, physical properties such as optical, mechanical, electrical and magnetic properties change at the nanoscale, while chemical reactivity significantly changes. Examples: metal copper is transparent on the nanoscale, while gold demonstrates a range of colors depending on the size and the shape at the nanoscales. Chemically inert gold becomes highly reactive at the sizes below 100 nanometers. Carbon can be converted into resistance-free conducting material at nano level. The strength of carbon nanomaterials could be several times higher than steel. Surface area of nanoparticles. The main reason for such changes in physical and chemical properties is the increase in the surface area to volume ratio when the particle size decreases. Now we'll find out how to see the nanoscale. Scientists have developed electron microscopes that allow us to see things on the nanoscale and also manipulate them. They are atomic force microscopes, scanning probe microscopes, and scanning tunneling microscopes. In the nanotechnology field, nanomaterials are used. We'll find out about carbon-based nanomaterials. Out of the many available nanostructures, carbon-based nanostructures are among the most exciting of nanomaterials. They can be rod-shaped, a football shape, or thin sheets. There are different forms of carbon. Carbon exists as two distinct polymorphs, carbon graphite and carbon diamonds. Now you can see the structures of diamond and graphite. In the graphite, layer-like structure is there, but in the diamond, no layer-like structure. Diamond is the hardest material. What's called graphene? Graphite has a layered structure and scientists have attempted to separate a single layer from the structure for several decades. It was one of the significant achievements of science when single layer of graphite was peeled off by two scientists, Andrew Geim and Konstantin Novoselov from University of Manchester. Now you can see graphite and graphene. Graphene is a single layer of graphite. Graphene is a single layer thick graphite sheet, 0.5 nanometer thickness, and has unique properties due to high surface area. It is highly flexible while demonstrating very high mechanical properties. It also shows unexpected electronic and electrical properties. It is considered as the material that has the potential for revolutionizing the next generation flexible electronics. Now we are going to find out about carbon nanotubes. A nanotube is formed when a single layer or few layers of graphene is rolled into a tube. When a single layer is rolled, it is known as single wall carbon nanotube, SWCNT, while few layers rolling into a tube leads to formation of multi-wall carbon nanotube, MWCNT. Now you can see the two types, SWCNT and MWCNT. What is fullerene? One of the other forms of nanocarbon is fullerene. Fullerene is a molecule which consists of about 60 carbon atoms arranged in the shape of a football. Its diameter is about 1 nanometer. Now we'll find out active carbon with pores of nanoscale. Active carbon is processed using charcoal, coconut shell coal, peat, etc. as raw materials. The specialty of active carbon is the presence of nanoscale pores. These pores of nanoscale in active carbon provide a large surface area. 1 gram of active carbon has a surface area in excess of 3000 square meters. The pause in active carbon has high adsorption capacity. Due to this high adsorption capacity, it is used to purify water. Nanotechnology is applied in various fields such as medicine, agriculture, electronics, polymers, cosmetics, food and textile. Now we are going to find out applications of nanotechnology. According to the researchers carried out for a long time, there are expected as well as unexpected uses of nanotechnology. Nanotechnology has contributed towards a revolutionary development in the fields of security, communication, energy, food, medicine, transportation, agriculture, textile, polymers, cosmetics, electronic science, etc. Applications of nanotechnology in the field of medicine. Diagnostic tools are considered by using nanotechnology. Thus, the therapeutic efficiency can be increased. Nanorobots with diagnostic and therapeutic ability used to treat ailments. Nanotechnology is being used to diagnose and treat ailments like atherosclerosis. One way of doing this is the introduction of nanoparticles which are similar to HDL, a type of a favorable cholesterol to remove lipid deposits in blood vessels. Clinical methods to treat directly to cancer cells without damaging healthy tissues is being developed using nanotechnology. Treatment to replenish bone tissues and nerve tissues are being developed using nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is used to inject drugs without using injection needles and also to introduce common vaccines for frequent diseases like common cold. Nanoparticles are introduced to skin ointments which are used to protect skin from harmful solar radiation to increase their quality. Nanotechnology is used to detect the amount of sugar and cholesterol in blood. Now we'll refer to the applications of nanotechnology in the field of transport. Very light and fuel economic motor vehicles, aircraft, boats, and spacecraft can be manufactured using nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is used in the industry of motor vehicles. Items like heavy-duty rechargeable batteries, heat controllable electronic devices, wear-resistant tires, thin solar panels, and very efficient and cheap sensors are some vehicle parts manufactured using nanotechnology. This is a motor vehicle with nano battery in body panels. Nanotechnology used in air filters in motor vehicles. Power generation. Cellulose in sawdust, corn stem and grass can be converted to ethanol which can be used as a fuel with the help of enzymes produced by nanotechnology. Flexible solar panel. Resistance and tension can be minimized by using wire cords which are made of carbon nanotubes to transmit electricity. Nanotechnology is used to manufacture efficient and inexpensive solar panels. Future solar panels may be flexible and are printable or paintable like papers. Very thin solar panels can be made using nanotechnology to stick on computer covers and cloths. They can generate electricity using light, friction and body heat. The diagram shows a flexible solar panel. Electronic science. Minute and speedy transistors in computers can be manufactured using nanotechnology. The size of an ordinary transistor is 130 nanometers to 250 nanometers. This size decreased down to 14 nanometers by 2014 and further decreased to 7 nanometers by 2015. Flexible, foldable, windable, stretchable, and washable electronic components which are powered by solar energy can be made using nanotechnology. Therefore, it is possible to manufacture very thin, light, unbreakable, durable, and smart electronic equipment. Nanotechnology is used to manufacture memory chips, audio equipment, keyboards with antibacterial covers, and mobile phone covers. First one is the flexible smartphone, second one mobile phone covers, memory chips in the third diagram. Another application of nanotechnology is producing consumer goods. Eye spectacles, computer and television screen, door and window glasses made of nanotechnology are resistant to ultraviolet and infrared radiations. They do not retain water or microorganisms and have the ability of auto-cleaning. Nanopolymers are used to manufacture very light, hard and durable sports items, headgear, bicycles, vehicle spare parts and weapons. Household items like high-quality detergents and bleaching agents, air filters, water filters, antiseptics, stain and dirt-resistant paints can be manufactured using nanotechnology. Wearing off and cracking of machine parts can be minimized and lifetime of them can be considerably increased by using nano-structured ceramic coatings and lubricants made using nanotechnology. Textiles and cloths which are resistant to dust, dirt and oil particles are manufactured. Nanotechnology can be used in water purification plants to purify water economically and efficiently. Very thin filter membranes are used for this purpose. Air filters with pores of nanoscale are used to filter dust and microorganisms in places like cockpits of airplanes. Products like aluminium, steel, tar, concrete, and cement, which are durable, flexible, and have a fine finish, are manufactured using nanotechnology. These are some examples. Now we'll find out future conditions that may arise because of nanotechnology. As in any technical application, nanotechnology also may have adverse effects. These ill effects may increase with the progress and usage of nanotechnology. Now we'll find out some such effects. Air, water and soil can be polluted by releasing particles of nanoscale which are used in nanotechnology to the environment. This is known as nanopollution. Health problems can arise because of the collection of nanoparticles in human and animal bodies. Calamitous situations in society may increase because of the abundance of nanoscale equipment. Severe disaster can occur because of the production of chemical and biological armaments of nanoscale. These are the imaginary nano armaments. Various precautionary measures can be suggested to minimize the ill effects of nanotechnology. Release of nanoscale air pollutants with effluent smoke can be filtered using nanofilters. Natural pollutants like arsenic can be removed from the environment by using nanoscale particles. Unfavorable gases can be removed by using nanosensors which are sensitive to those gases. Judicial security can be provided by imposing new legislations to prevent ill issues of nanotechnology. That is the end of my video lesson about nanotechnology. Thank you.